Hello dear parents, welcome to my Read and Write Phonics educational channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to read IR sound words. So let's see. So first, see, I makes the sound I, I. I makes the sound I, and R makes the sound R. Yes, but when the sounds come together, they make a single sound. Now, IR together makes the sound This is a diagram, and these together makes the sound Okay, and now try. Okay, for example. Okay, now try reading this word. Bird. Bird. Okay, now try reading some words. Okay, so let's start. Bird. Third. Together makes the sound stir. Together makes the sound flirt. This is SH. This is a consonant diagram. SH together makes the sound shirt. Next, girl. First. This is a consonant blend, beginning consonant blend. SK together makes the sound skirt. Dirt. E. When Y is used at the end of the word, it makes the sound E. In this word, Y makes the sound as double E. So this word is dirt, E. Dirty. Next. Here in this word, don't make k sound.